Hello, welcome our The Best 5 channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show some of the best utensils cookware set which are best sold and reviewed in the last couple of months in Amazon. Let's go start. Kitchen utensil sets are a necessity that is required in every home. However, most people embark on the difficult route and buy utensils separately. This approach is not only time-consuming but expensive too. The simple solution to this problem is to buy the best kitchen utensil set. It will save you time, money and effort that is required in buying separate utensils. Number 1. OXXO Good Grips 15-piece Everyday Kitchen Tool Set. This is one of the most durable kitchen utensil sets on the market that you can choose. It comes in 3 various sizes: 6-piece, 10-piece, and 15-piece set. For us, the 15-piece set offers the most value among the 3 because it's bigger and comes with 15 amazing utensils. Key features: nylon handles. All the utensils that accompany this kitchen utensil set contain silicone and nylon-made handles. The benefit of nylon and silicone-made handles is that they protect the user's hand from a burn in case the handle is hot. Nylon and silicone are said to be heat-resistant. They can bear temperatures up to 400 F. Hence, these utensils are safe to use even in high temperatures. Slimlined. Another amazing feature you'll find on these utensils is their build quality. Not only they are manufactured with high-grade materials but all of them are slimlined. Variety of utensils. It comes with 12 tongs, a flexible turner, spoon, square turner, ice cream scoop, 4 pizza wheel, potato masher, can opener, spatula, holder, slotted spoon, grater, meat tenderizer and an 11 balloon whisk. Removable drip tray. The tray on the bottom is removable and helps to get rid of the collected water inside the container. Pros: stainless steel holder. Dishwasher safe. Extremely durable. Heat-resistant handles. Cons: fitting issues, a bit of a struggle when placing the utensils in the container altogether. OXXO Kitchen Utensil Set is the real deal when you want to invest your money in the right product. It is durable, space-saving and offers many useful tools. Number 2. Home Hero Stainless Steel Kitchen Utensil Set. 29 cooking utensils. Homeowners who want to give their kitchen a chic look can consider this 29-piece kitchen set. It is made up of high-quality and durable stainless steel that are meant to withstand wear and tear for many years. Features: non-stick utensils. Have you come across utensils that make the food stick to the surface? It's no less than a war to stir and pluck out the stuck food from the surface whether you are cooking and washing utensils. Luckily, Home Hero products are non-stick, which means that you can easily stir, whirl or shake the food without having to apply a lot of effort. Rust-proof. The fact that all the 29 pieces are composed of top-notch stainless steel, they don't rust. In other words, the lifespan of these utensils is far more than conventional copper utensils. BPA-free. BPA-free utensils are ones that do not contain any form of organic compound that may release toxic waste. It will keep the surroundings safe and your food tastier and safer. Pros: high-grade silicone heads that do not sustain scratches or get hot. Extremely durable. Made up of the finest quality. One-stop shop for all necessary kitchen utensils. Cons: doesn't come with a container. Number 3. HeyKITCH Kitchen Utensil Set. 9-piece black utensil set. If you want both looks and functionality, then Wax and Wear Kitchen Set is your best bet. No matter what color kitchen you have, a set of black utensils will complement it. This 9-piece kitchen set is made up of premium quality materials which makes them everlasting. Key features: flexible and durable. Every utensil in this set has a silicone handle that offers excellent flexibility and heat resistance. As far as its durability is concerned, it is made up of stainless steel, so expect amazing durability. Scratch-proof. The best thing about these utensils is that they won't exert scratches on any cookware, may it be porcelain, glass or any other. Safe to use. The fact they are BPA-free and FDA-approved makes them safe to use. Pros: heat-resistant up to 446 F. Dishwasher safe. Money-back guarantee. Easier to store thanks to the hanging hooks in them. Cons: Limited utensils. If you're into lavish black utensils that are both durable and flexible, then this set is for you. Number 4. Breville Oniy 8-piece kitchen utensil sets. The next item on the list is the 8-piece cooking utensil set from Breville Oniy. As a bestseller item, this is a very durable set offered at a very affordable price. The 304 stainless steel material makes these kitchen utensils last a very long time even with daily use, and they do not melt when heated. These utensils are not prone to breakage or rust at all. Besides, these utensils also do a great job at not scratching or denting your beloved pans. Highlighted features: no scratching. The utensils in this set are made up of top-notch 304 stainless steel that offer amazing durability. Moreover, the heads and handles are silicone made, which protects all the cookware from sustaining scratches. Ergonomic design. The shape and handles of the utensils in this set are ergonomic, meaning that it won't put a strain on the user's hand even if they use it for many hours. Safest. Apart from being rust-proof, BPA-free, FDA approved, and heat-resistant, these utensils are made up of the safest materials. Number 5. 38-piece kitchen utensils set. Home cooking tools gadgets. If you want to buy a complete kitchen utensils inventory, then we recommend you to go for this one. It offers 38 pieces in black color that will easily blend in with your kitchen's scheme. Features: nylon and stainless steel. These utensils are composed with high-quality stainless steel that doesn't bend, break or get rusted. Moreover, the handles are made up of nylon so that they don't heat up and burn your hand. Dishwasher safe. You can clean these utensils in a dishwasher and ensure that they don't smell bad or look bad. Moreover, they are BPA-free and FDA approved, so expect them to be entirely safe to use. Pros: comes with a full refund warranty. Non-stick material. Scratch-proof. Aesthetically pleasing black color set. Cons: questionable durability. This kitchen set will cater to your kitchen needs completely. You won't be needing to buy anything extra. It covers up most of the items. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel so that you don't miss any of our videos, and make sure enable notification bell icon and check the description below for links.